Imagine this. You take your last breath, not on Earth, but on a world light years away. Maybe you're standing on the fiery wastelands of Venus, the frozen deserts of Pluto, or the crushing storms of Jupiter. The moment your body collapses, the planet itself decides your fate, twisting, burning, freezing, or erasing every trace of you in ways far stranger than death on Earth. Today, we're stepping into the ultimate cosmic nightmare. What happens if you die on every alien planet? Let's start close to home, the Moon. If you died here, there's no air, no bacteria, no wind. Your body wouldn't decompose the way it does on Earth. Instead, you'd basically become a freeze-dried mummy, perfectly preserved for millions of years, unless a meteorite smashes you into space dust. Now, Venus. If the Moon would preserve you, Venus would destroy you in seconds. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, your body would burn, boil, and crush all at once. The thick carbon dioxide atmosphere would strip away your skin, while the crushing pressure flattens your body like a soda can. On Venus, death isn't peaceful, it's instant obliteration. On Mars, the red planet, death plays out differently. Your body would freeze solid. With little atmosphere, your blood might boil for a split second before freezing into ice. Then, with no bacteria to break you down, you could remain preserved like a frozen statue, waiting centuries until future explorers stumble upon your body like a ghost frozen in time. Jupiter, however, wouldn't give you that luxury. Technically, you can't even land on it. If you died here, your body would sink endlessly into the planet's thick clouds. The deeper you fall, the more crushing the pressure gets, until your bones, organs, and even atoms are torn apart. You'd be erased before you ever reach the core. Saturn offers a similar fate. The atmosphere would pull you down, and the gas giant storms would shred you apart long before you ever touched solid ground, if solid ground even exists. But if you turn to its moon Titan, things get stranger. Titan has rivers and lakes, but instead of water, they're filled with liquid methane. If you died here, your body would freeze and sink into methane seas, preserved in a chemical coffin. You'd be a human popsicle locked in a frozen alien ocean. Farther away lies Pluto. At the edge of our solar system, death is slow and silent. Pluto's surface is so cold that your body would freeze solid, almost like glass. With no atmosphere to erode you, you'd stay perfectly preserved, an eternal monument in the dark. But what if you went beyond our solar system? On a lava world like Kepler 10b, your body would literally melt into molten rock. Flesh, bone, everything absorbed by the planet itself. On a super-Earth with gravity much stronger than ours, death would mean your own weight crushing you. Your organs would collapse, your bones would snap, and even falling to the ground could be enough to end you instantly. On a water world, imagine drowning in endless alien oceans with no land, no sky, just sinking forever, your body drifting into an abyss deeper than Earth's entire ocean. And on a radiation-bathed planet orbiting too close to its star, your DNA would fry within minutes. Even if you died quickly, your body wouldn't last. Stellar radiation would break you down molecule by molecule until nothing recognizable was left. So, what happens if you die on every alien planet? Some worlds preserve you like a frozen statue. Others crush, burn, or erase you so completely that not even a bone remains. Death on Earth may be familiar, even peaceful. But out there among the stars, death is a kaleidoscope of fire, ice, pressure, and silence. And maybe the most chilling thought of all? One day, if humanity really does spread across the galaxy, alien worlds could become humanity's final resting places, strange cosmic graves scattered across the universe. Because in space, death is never the end, it's just another transformation.